Benefits of garlic and honey for men. 8 reasons why every man should eat garlic and honey. For every man who watches this video, I promise you will learn something you never didn't know about garlic and honey, which is very good for you. Be careful because some of them will surprise you. Tips on how to prepare them are at the end of the video. Both garlic and honey are incredibly popular in natural medicine. Individually, they are used to treat various ailments, thanks to their anti-inflammatory, antibacterial properties and many more incredible properties combined. However, these two everyday ingredients offer several advantages, not negligible, specific to men. Of the most compelling reasons why every man should eat garlic and honey. 1. It boosts testosterone. Although few medical studies have been conducted on the effects of garlic and honey on testosterone levels, these ingredients have long been used by naturopaths to treat many male ailments. In 2015, however, an animal study published by the Asian Pacific Journal of Tropical Biomedicine has confirmed its restorative and proliferative effects on testosterone levels. 2. It treats erectile dysfunction because it boosts testosterone. Take honey with garlic can also treat erectile dysfunction, but aside from hormones, this is due to an improvement in blood circulation, according to a study conducted by researchers at the University of Alabama in Birmingham. This effect is caused by compounds that help relax arteries and blood vessels that directly affect penile function. 3. It improves fertility. Take garlic and honey improves male fertility as it boosts testosterone, treats erectile dysfunction, and helps increase sperm count due to its powerful antioxidant effects. This is supported by a study published by the Turkish Journal of Urology in 2020, who studied in depth the effects of antioxidant treatment in infertile men. 4. It supports prostate health. Combined testosterone boosting capabilities with the antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties of honey and garlic make it an incredible concoction to support prostate health and reduce the risk of prostate cancer. In fact, according to a study published by Molecular Nutrition and Food Research in 2007, the garlic alone can treat male malignancies including prostate cancer. Adding honey makes it incredibly powerful. 5. It prevents male pattern baldness. The increase in testosterone levels is one of best ways to fight male pattern baldness. But apart from the testosterone boosting abilities, garlic and honey, it also helps by providing lots of vitamins and minerals, especially vitamin C, thiamine, pyridoxine, selenium, and manganese. All of these nutrients are essential for healthy hair growth. 6. It promotes beard growth. Intake of garlic and honey also affects beard growth. Of course, the increase in testosterone is the most apparent reason why it works. However, several nutrients in this blend promote healthy facial hair growth. Among the most beneficial are antioxidants, vitamin B6 and magnesium. 7. It helps treat high blood pressure. Hypertension is more common in men than in women. Although the reasons for this are not yet known, what is clear is that taking garlic and honey can help men lower their blood pressure. In a review published by the journal Avicenna of Phytomedicine, the researchers cited several studies that prove the effectiveness of garlic in the treatment of hypertension. Honey makes it more palatable and provides additional health benefits. 8. It helps prevent strokes. According to a study conducted by researchers at the University Hospital Swedish Örebro, strokes are 41% more common in men than in women. Fortunately, taking garlic and honey can help reduce your risk of stroke, although this has long been known in natural medicine. It is also supported by the Journal of the Nutrition, Health and Aging in 2013. Combining garlic and honey is quite easy to do. You can pour honey over raw garlic cloves and let it sit before consuming, 1 tablespoon at a time. Or you can take it as it is or dilute it by boiling garlic, adding honey, and drinking it like tea. Whatever your preference for taking it, having garlic and honey will bring you many health benefits as a man. Following our study references, we used to create this video. Hope you liked the video. Don't forget to like, Subscribe and activate the notification bell. Thanks.